Buzzard, there would be enough there to take him up. Cool, you are trying hard. This is the hardest I've seen you try in a long time. What a clever boy. He has actually hit thermals twice. Once here, which was this summer, and it was only a fairly small thermal. It didn't go up that high, but he had a lovely time. And the other time, unfortunately, was in Norfolk at the Royal Norfolk Show. And there he went up to 1,500 feet, which is great here because it doesn't matter to us if they take a while before they come back down again. But at a place like a show where you've got to be in and out of a main arena in 25 minutes, it's rather less helpful. And eventually they said, well, could you call him down into the collecting ring? Which would have been fine, it's on there. Except that the next event on after us was a parachute jumper. Bit of a disaster, that. Well, you know, your average eagle's not really used to 8 men 2,000 feet above them. And you could see him looking up and going. He was very good. He came down as soon as I caught up with him. And the only problem with looking for a bird in an area where you're not known is sometimes you end up in people's gardens. And they look at you a little oddly when you say, I'm so sorry, do forgive me for being in your garden. And then when you say, I'm here because there's an eagle in the tree, they look at you even more oddly. But actually the one couple that we did frighten to death were very pleased when the eagle came down. Good boy. Now, do you fancy doing one more flight? Just one? Could you do one more for us? Yes, please. That'd be very nice if you could. When you're ready.
On top. Down she goes. So then it wasn't.
The eagle owls get their name as a group from being very reminiscent of the eagles. So you can see she's big, powerful. You saw her flight as she came in. They come from right the way through Europe, from the top all the way down. Nose bang on today, which for something this big, pretty light. Right, I'm going to take her away, and you will be joined by tomorrow with the next bird as soon as I'm clear of the field. Thank you very much.